Okay, now I will just put plates here because plates we didn't see yet. What we can do means like you can just go here, plate cursor. This one is the plate cursor. Okay, and you can able to select the plate. But for creating plate, you can go to geometry and add plate, and you can go for quad or triangle. Quad in the sense, I'm just going to click 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, one plate we have created, and we also having plate orientation. Okay. Okay. Again, I will go for geometry and then plate, triangle. Triangle in the sense only 3 we can give. Another 3 we need to provide here. Okay, that is what the difference between these two. Okay, mostly we will go for quad plates. And if you want, you can generate the meshes. Okay, now we can able to select the 3 plates, 4 plates. These are all the plates we have created. And we also have in geometry, in plates, we can go for set new plate attributes, which means like in 3D rendering, it will be having no thickness. Okay, and we can just go here thickness. But if you want to have the default property, we can go for add plate and set new plate attributes. Here use property. You can able to create your own thickness. For example, here I will go for 0.15 and with concrete material add. Okay, so it will be here in the drop down, it will be there, and you can able to select that property. Okay, and use material. Material already it's concrete only. Here you can select, or you can able to create your own materials. This we already discussed also. Do you remember? Okay. And release, like we used to give member release for beams, like that we can also go here. These things, which release you want. Okay, this is also we have in specification for plate. The same it is coming here also, but now I'm not going to take anything. So I'm just going to uncheck it. Assign these attributes while creating new plates. Okay, click OK. Now I'm just going for geometry and then plate, and we can select. Otherwise, this we also have here. See, here we have 2 methods. And I'm just going to select 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now we will see how the plates is looking. We will select over these 2 plates and we will go for 3D rendering. And can you able to see this plate having the thickness and everything, but the other plate doesn't have any thickness. This is the difference, setting new attributes. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, otherwise it's difficult again and again we need to do, because here we have add plate, set new attribute, and you need to select this. This is also important. Assign these attributes while creating new plates. Okay. Okay. So I'm just going to delete this anyway. Now you know now how to create new attributes. Now I will go here. Otherwise, you can go to property and you can go to define. This is for the beams, thickness for the plates, thickness for plates and also for surface. And here we can have a 0.15 or 0.12. Okay. And then you can assign to view, because only plates we have in the top. Assign to view and then yes. Now you can able to select any beam, any plate, and you can go for 3D rendering. Now you can able to see the thickness also coming. Got it? Yeah. See thickness of 120 mm coming, right?